Okay, this problem is going to be for the Practice and Skills workbook. It's page 103, problem number 4. Compare, write less than, greater than, or equal to. And they've given us 8 plus square root of 2. You're comparing it to the square root of 8 plus 2. Okay, so what I'm going to do on this problem is I'm going to take a look first at the square root of 2. And we're going to remember back with the perfect squares. So I'm going to make a list of a few perfect squares. So 2 squared is 4. 3 squared is 9. It's probably far enough for this problem. If I look to see where 2 would be somewhere in between the 1 and the 4. So that means that 1 and 2 would be what our square root of 2 would be between. And if you don't understand that part, basically I'm just saying that square root of 2 is going to be in between a 1 and a 2, because I could take the square root of 1 and I could take the square root of 4, and square root of 2 will be between those two, and then when I simplify it down, I get it's between the 1 and the 2. Okay, and then the other one is an 8, so I have a 4 and a 9, so 8 will be somewhere in between these two, so it'll be between the 2 and the 3. So I'll put a 2 and a 3 here. And we know it's not going to include the point 1 or include the point 2, and not include the point 2 or 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add up 8 plus 1. If I add up 8 plus 1, I get a 9. And then if I add up 8 plus 2, I get 10. Okay, so what that means is our answer on this left-hand side has to be between 9 and 10. It can't be equal to 9, it can't be equal to 10, but it's somewhere in between those two. Now over here I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take 2 plus 2, that's 4. And then I'm going to go 3 plus 2, which is 5. And what that means is the right-hand side has to have an answer between 4 and 5. Now, just looking at what we have, if our answer is between 9 and 10 and 4 and 5 over here, we know that our answer has to be greater than, this left-hand side is going to be greater than the right-hand side. So our answer in this case will be